Class 8, we have to take exercise 5.2 on pie chart, which is saying, first question here, a survey was made to find type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. The adjoining pie chart, this one, shows the finding of the survey. So in the survey, it was found that these are the various kinds of music which the percent has been allotted. Classical music is being liked by 10%, semi-classical by 20, light by 40, and folk music by 30. Okay, then they are asking you, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So we want to know the total number of people जिसमें study किया गया है when actual number of people liking classical music is 20. Percent of classical music is given to you as 10 out here. Okay, and 10%. So 100 would be corresponding to the total strength that was surveyed, and out of 100, 10 have liked classical. That is what percent means. Okay, but the real number of people is 20. So now we want to know in real how many people were surveyed. Okay, so there are two ways you can do that question. See, one is this, by assuming we wanted to know the number of people that have been surveyed. Let us take that as x, we don't know. So suppose x people were surveyed, then you were given that the people who like classical music in percent was 10%. तो ये 10% किस में से, इसमें से. Alright, so 10% of x should be equal to the people who like classical music, which is given to us as 20. So percent means upon 100. So 10 upon 100 into x is equal to 20. Of means multiplication. Okay. So for finding x, you'll take 100 will come to the numerator and 10 will come to the denominator on the other side. So that means total 200 people were surveyed. Or maybe you may understand it like this also, number of young people who were total surveyed. ये proportion आपने already करा हुआ है, direct variation, indirect variation. Okay, so whatever will be the ratio here will also be the ratio in the other case, right? Because so from 100 upon 10 into 20 will give you the real number of people. Out of 100 it was 10, so out of 20 how many it will be. Okay, that way you can understand. Or okay, now for the second part, you were asked which is the group which has liked the maximum, which kind of music is being appreciated by maximum number of people. So for that, from the pie chart, that is very much clear. जो highest percent है, which was 40%. 40% was for allotted to light music. So light music is being liked by maximum number of people. तो इसका तो directly जो highest percent होगी, naturally उसका corresponding number भी highest आएगा. Okay, then for the next set it was quite simple. From the percent you had to find the actual number. Okay, it was said that if there are 1000 CDs in all, then how many of each kind should be made? So according to the liking, percent हमें given था, तो percent into total number gives you the actual number. वही approach जो हमने इसके first x assume करके की थी, right? So classical music के लिए 10% था, so 10% of 1000. Likewise, semi-classical का 20% of 1000. Okay, so 10 upon 100 into 1000. Likewise, 20 upon 100. जो भी percent थी multiplied by, you simply have to multiply the percent by maximum, yeah, the total number of CDs to know the number of CDs allotted to that particular music. Okay, so that one is simple. Now in second question, children, group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season. वहाँ जैसे music का था, यहाँ पे अब season का हो रहा है voting. Okay, so they've allotted here different votes given. For summer 19, rainy season 120, and winter 150. People who like the various three seasons. And then they're asking you, okay, so the questions following are from that data, which season got the most votes? Okay, that can be clearly seen from the data itself. Winter season had the most votes, that means 150 were there. So ye to by looking you can easily conclude. Then question 2, find the central angle of each sector. Now how do we find the central angle? Because we know angle about a point is 360. तो total सर्कल में मेजर कितना होता है 360. तो अगर हम पहले फ्रैक्शन निकालेंगे एंड फ्रैक्शन को फिर 360 फिर डिग्रीज से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे टोटल डिग्रीज से टू कम टू नो कि कितना डिग्री अलॉट करना है. जैसे परसेंट में इंटू 100 करके हमें परसेंट मिल जाती है फॉर डिग्रीज इंटू 360 बिकॉज टोटल डिग्रीज अकाउंट टू 360. ओके, सो फॉर समर 90 वर इन फेवर एंड टोटल हमारी 360 थे. सो 90 आउट ऑफ 360 into total degrees is 360. So your calculation this time is easy because you have 360. So degrees में भी 90 degree आ रहा है. Every time this will not happen. The denominator can be different out here. But yes, to convert it to central angle, the fraction of the central angle, you have to multiply every time by 360 degrees. Okay. So for rainy season, the central angle will be like 120 votes were in favor out of 360 into 360. Okay. So simply that you have to do, and you convert it to your degree measure. And then third part, that is draw the pie chart for this information. So now in pie chart, you are going to make these angles and obtain your pie chart like, okay, so this way you'll get your pie chart. You need to draw a circle. All of you know how to draw a circle. Then from the center, make any one radius. Okay, make any one radius and start measuring your angles. So for summer season it was 90 degrees. So यहाँ पे अपना protector रखो, 90 measure करो, make this and allot this region to summer season. Write the degrees here. Now keep your protector here. You'll be placing your protector in the next radius. Here center, यहाँ से फिर measure 120 degrees, make another line. And then third, automatically you may cross check also, will come out to be 150 because there were only 3 sections or 3 sectors there. Okay, so that is how we obtain a corresponding pie chart. Okay, now see the third question. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table is given to you. This time it is about colors preferred: blue, green, yellow, red, yellow. 4 colors given to you. These are the number of people liking it. So we'll total this up first to know this much out of how much. Okay, and then we have to find convert it to pie chart. So for that we need to first find a central angle. Okay, that is how you obtain your central angles. Okay, number of people liking blue upon total number of people 36 into degree measure is always 360. So fraction into 360, 180 degrees allotted to blue. Likewise green, 9 was supporting green, so 9 upon total 36. 9 upon 36 into 360 converted to 90 degrees. Then likewise 6 upon 36 into 360. So you have to do that calculation. These are your angles. Now we'll place them in the pie chart like above. Right, so that is how your pie chart goes. Okay, so as we said, circle, then we make one radius and we start measuring, and here we had 180 degrees and 180 degree we know is a straight angle, so we need not measure also. पूरा एक diameter बना दो आप and allot this whole semicircle to blue 180 degrees. Okay, half. Then अब यहाँ पे protector रखो अपना and measure the next section 90 degrees. Then keep your protector on this line now, this radius, measure another 60 degrees, then 30 degrees. Automatically last aapka, if your all angles are measured precisely, this will automatically come as 30, right? So that's your pie chart ready. Now in question number 4, children, a pie chart again gives you, which gives you marks scored in examination by a student in the various subjects. If the total marks obtained by students were 540, then you have to answer the following questions there. The first question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Okay, अभी यहाँ पे आपको degree measure given है, but आपको पता है कि like maths 90 degrees allotted to maths, so it is 90 out of total 360. तो ये fraction आपको पता है. Then if you want to convert it to marks, then you have to multiply it by total number was given to you, total number of marks. Okay, so 90 upon 360 into 540 will give you marks, actual marks in mathematics. ये तो degree measures हैं उनके, तो ऐसे ही आप सबको convert कर सकते हो, right? And you can find this, but that why should we do it for all? We have been given precisely 105. So we have the total number of marks also, तो हम पहले fraction बना के उसका degree measure भी निकाल सकते हैं, like we were doing for central angle. Okay, so we'll take it as 105 we have obtained out of 540. So 105 upon 540 into 360. Find the central angle and then match कर लो यहाँ से कि कौन सा central angle आ रहा है आपका, right? So this way 105 was the marks obtained out of 540 and converting it to its central angle into 360, which is coming as 70 degrees. So 70 degree that was allotted to Hindi. In the pie chart you can check. Okay, so we would say that means in Hindi the marks obtained were 105. That way we can do it. Okay, then second part, they have asked you how many more marks were obtained by a student in mathematics than Hindi. Okay, so आपके पास ये data है already in the form of table, तो आप पहले degree में difference देख लो and then convert that difference to marks. That way it can be done. So 90 degrees allotted to maths, 70 to Hindi. So difference in degrees will come out to be 20. So 20 upon 360 into the total marks will give you the difference in their marks. ओके, ये डिग्री में डिफरेंस था, आपको मार्क्स में निकालना है. और दी अदर वे राउंड, आपको ऑलरेडी मार्क्स ऑफ हिंदी पता थे. वी हैव गेस्ड मार्क्स इन हिंदी. दिस वाज एक्चुअली मार्क्स इन हिंदी. नाउ लाइकवाइज यू कन्वर्ट मार्क्स ऑफ मैथ्स, obtain the marks of maths by multiplying the fraction in degrees with the total number of marks and then find the difference. Okay, तो comes to the same कि आप दोनों को पहले मार्क्स में कन्वर्ट करके मार्क्स का डिफरेंस निकालो, या शॉर्ट में पड़ेगा इफ यू फाइंड द डिफरेंस इन द डिग्रीज ओनली. 20/360 into 540 will straight away give you this difference, which is 30. Okay, that way also it can be done. The last part is quite easy. In this, they are asking to examine the sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths is more than in science or in Hindi. Okay, तो marks अगर आपको नहीं भी पता है तो but we know marks will correspond to the degree measure only. Okay, तो आप degree measures में ही कर लो sum, and जिसका degree measure ज़्यादा आएगा you would say उसके marks भी ज़्यादा होंगे, right? Like this way, once total was social science and maths. According to the degree, the total degrees being allotted is 155, and if you sum up Hindi and science, it is 150. So clearly we can say that marks obtained in sum of marks of social science and maths is definitely more than science and Hindi. Okay, तो उसको पूरा convert करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Whatever would be the relation in degree would also be in actual number of marks. For the last one, again in table form, data has been given to you and they are asking you to find the to draw the corresponding pie chart for this. So by now we are clear with it कि हमें जो भी यहाँ पे figures given है, first we'll total that up. Okay, so these are number of students who are liking or studying various languages, and then this is the total number of students. Sum this up: 40, 50, 160, 7, and 68, sorry, and plus for 72. Okay, so we'll sum this up. Now this is 40 out of 72 and central angle के लिए into 360. So वही सब करना है अपने. इसका पहले central angle निकालना है. Each fraction multiplied by 360, convert it to its central angle, and once you obtain the central angles, then you draw your corresponding pie chart. Okay, this way. Like हिंदी के लिए 200 degrees allot हुए थे. So you'll draw the circle there. Make one radius, measure, या one, I hope you know how to measure reflex angle also. Okay, so पूरा straight line बनाओ. 180 का हो जाता है. 180 plus 20 is 200. वहाँ से 20 degrees और measure कर लो. Or maybe you can make rest of the angles first, so left over automatically 200 आएगा. That's your choice how you want to draw these various angles. Okay, likewise ये सारे angles for English 60 degrees allot कर लो. Keep your protractor here. For Marathi measure 45, then for Tamil measure 35, and that's your required pie chart. And of course you have to write the subject or whatever the quantity commodity we are talking about and its degree measure in the various sectors. So that is it.